A bridge does not understand that it is a bridge. Only those who pass over it understands its importance, understands its function, how they can reach from one part to another part over an area they cannot cross without a bridge. When Newton developed his second law of motion, he had no idea that in part of it he was becoming the bridge, a part of the bridge which will unify classical mechanics with Maxwell's electrodynamics. When Einstein developed his ESMC square, he did not realize he would become part of the bridge which will unify electrodynamics with classical mechanics. And when Lorentz observed the transformations from electric fields into magnetic fields, he had no idea that he was becoming part of a larger bridge. Together, Newton, Einstein and Lorentz have built the bridge which unifies classical mechanics with electrodynamics. The bridge has a historical meaning which has been related to a time interval of more than 200 years. It started with Isaac Newton, his famous equation, the second law, and after Newton we got Maxwell, who tried to understand something of the fact that electric fields and magnetic fields propagate as a wave function with a speed of light which he could derive from the Maxwell equations. Then Lorentz understood that electric field and magnetic field can transform into each other, and then 200 years after Newton, Einstein discovered his equivalence between energy and mass, the world between waves and objects like mass. Those three scientists have built, and were not aware of it, that they were building a very famous and important bridge. The bridge which unifies classical mechanics with electrodynamics. And it is impossible to cross these 200 years and unify the fields of light, the fields of electromagnetism with classical mechanics. But together they have built a bridge, and together we will see in this course that it is in fact quite simple to unify electromagnetic fields with classical mechanical objects.